Hey guys, it's the Wandering Wind, and today I was going to bring you a video about my new gaming PC. However, well, my new built gaming PC, the one that I built. However, it turns out that despite my efforts, the video card isn't showing up with my configuration. And I'm not sure why. I'm going to have to figure it out. But until I get it figured out, I'm sorry. But, you know what? I'm going to go through the list of what I have in my computer. That way, just in case you guys can figure out what's wrong, then, well, yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to try and read out the model of the motherboard. Just know that I'll leave a list of all the stuff in the description for what I built. Like I said, it isn't great, and it didn't exactly work. So, yeah. The first bit of, well, the most important bit that I have is an AMD Athlon 2 X2 240 at 2.8 gigahertz. It's a dual core processor. Yeah, I know that's not very good for gaming, but you know, I thought maybe it'd work at the time. Obviously it didn't. But, you know, live and learn. The next bit I have is the Sapphire Radeon HD 5750 Vapor X video card. Now, despite everything that I looked up, I could not find a listing for it anywhere online, other than forums and as far as reviews. But I'm trying to leave you guys a list of links to that way if you want to buy something that you saw, you know. Anyway, the next is in my system, and this might be the egregious, like, oh no, you never do this in a gaming PC thing, but think about it this way. I'm on a budget. Okay, so I have the board that I have. One of the RAM slots has a whatever you call it, one of the locks on the end of it. One of them is broken off, so the second RAM slot can't be used. It came with 2 gigabytes of RAM. I'm now down to 1. 1 gigabyte of RAM in the system. Yes, I know. It does support up to 16 gigabytes up to 16 gigabytes of memory. I'm going to see about getting either a 4 gigabyte or 8 gigabyte stick, and that'll be good. For the 2 hard drives, because I have a double, yeah, I took this out, sorry, I was working on it, a dual slot hard drive cage. I have an 80 gigabyte Western Digital Caviar SE hard drive and a Seagate Barracuda 160 gigabyte hard drive. And I don't know. I mean, both of those seem pretty good, but at the same time, I'm not sure. I don't know. It's just all over the place. Anyway, it's probably my processor, or it might just be the fact that the graphics card may be old. I got most of the parts that I have in there. Oh, I forgot about my power supply. I have a 480 gigabyte hard drive. 480 watt power supply in there, but it's rated as having a constant supply of 330 watts of power. But the thing is, my motherboard is a micro ATX version, and the Radeon HD 5750 line of cards only uses about maybe, is said somewhere in the range of 100 and some watts of power at high load, or maybe 70 some watts at high load, I'm not sure. But it's not too bad. I mean, it's not one of those old cards where they used like 100, 150 watts of power at full load. But, yeah, it may just be the fact that I have the one RAM slot broken, or I don't know. And most of these parts I got secondhand. I got the motherboard from an old E-Machines desktop. I got my case from the case came from a compact Presario model. It's actually a pretty sleek case. I've got a couple of DVD drives that I'm not using at the moment because my motherboard only has 2 SATA ports. Yeah. And I've got 2 DVD drives mainly because I figured, okay, why not? Use one for gaming, one for video, or whatever. Or since both of them are read and write capable, I can use one to play stuff that I burned and one to copy stuff that I burned, or whatever, I don't know. Anyway, and then, just, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the power supply. I mean, it's a micro ATX motherboard, and those usually don't take a lot of power from the whole thing. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just kind of disappointed that my first PC build was a bust. But you live and you learn. Maybe I just need to save up and get better parts in the future, and that will be one of the goals that I have going forward, is eventually, if I ever get to it, yeah, you didn't see my eyes roll there, but maybe eventually I'll be able to get to a point where I can afford stuff like that, and then give you guys gaming videos. Or maybe I'll find a way to make this work. Maybe it's a software issue, not necessarily a hardware issue. Although, like I said, probably need to upgrade the RAM. Even so. At least a 4. 4 gigs instead of 1. I mean, really. 1 gigabyte and I was already getting high load. Not to mention I need to find a couple of case fans to use. Ugh. Case fans are horrible. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you had an interesting time watching me rant about my gaming PC, or rather the lack thereof. If you want to see more, if you want to hear about my gaming PC build log, I will try and do more on that as it comes along. Probably won't come along very quickly. I mean, in this day and age, money is everything, and I got very little of that. Not my fault. Not my fault. It's the economy. Anyway, you guys have a great night. I'll talk to you again soon. And I might even have a special surprise for you guys come tomorrow, or maybe later tonight. I just got a free it was paid. A paid program called FaceRig, which I'm going to try out because I saw reviews on it on Amazon, or on YouTube, and it looked pretty interesting. I'm going to try it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great night. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more, click this link to subscribe and get notified of all my new videos. If you'd like to support me even further, click on this link up in the corner to go to my Patreon page and maybe donate $1 or $2. As always, thanks for watching.